The 7000 XLI dehumidifier by Dri Eaz Products is a best-in-class low-grain refrigerant dehumidifier. In short, low grain means that this refrigerant dehumidifier performs much better in a broad range of conditions than a standard refrigerant dehumidifier. The 7000 XLI, however, performs 40% better in this class than any competing dehumidifier. This means that it keeps removing moisture even in low humidity conditions and remains efficient where others can't. Its performance far surpasses that of competitive units that claim low grain or low humidity performance but just aren't engineered to deliver it. And even at high humidity conditions, the 7000 XLI is still a top performer, removing 130 pints per day at the AHEM test condition of 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% relative humidity. The 7000's classic rotomolded housing not only provides rugged durability, it also incorporates an automatic pump out that pumps water out through a 40-foot drain hose and an integrated, fully sealed pump basin inside of the back of the unit. And the reservoir will hold more than enough water to handle an unexpected shutdown. The 7000 XLI is also designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. Just remove 4 bolts, remove the top cover, and you can access internal components for easy cleaning and maintenance. This is especially important when using the dehumidifier in dirty or dusty environments. Follow the illustrated instruction manual and help ensure that your 7000 operates at peak performance for many years to come. Nothing surpasses the performance, convenience, and reliability of this built-in-the-USA dehumidifier, the Dri Eaz 7000 XLI.